Welcome to Python Project 3. Get live data from the web. Today, your program asks the internet for real information. The current exchange rate and the weather in Seoul right now. No typing, no searching, no browser. Just a few lines of Python. Let's talk to the internet.
Until now, your programs use data you typed in yourself. Today, they will ask the internet instead. You will learn 4 new pieces. Requests, the library that talks to websites. API, the web address that returns data. JSON, the data format that looks like a Dict. And you will reuse the Dict skills from episode 1. One more thing. We use public data APIs. Free, safe, and no API key.
So how does a website give data to your code? Look at this URL. It asks for the latest exchange rate, from US dollars to Korean won. Open it in a browser, and you see raw JSON text. Your code can do the exact same thing. It sends a request, the server answers, and JSON comes back. This is called an API. Your code plays the role of the browser. And JSON looks exactly like a Python Dict. You already know how to read it.
Requests is a third-party library, so Python does not ship it. If you import it before installing, you get an error. Module not found error. No module named requests. The fix is one command. Pip install requests. Watch the terminal. Collecting requests and successfully installed requests. Version 2.34.2. One command, and the library is ready.
Now the first request. Import requests, then call requests.get with the URL. The answer comes back as a response object. Print it, and you see response with status code 200. 200 means OK. The request worked. Check status code, and it is 200. Look at .text. The raw JSON as a string. The internet just answered our question.
That string is JSON. To use it, call .json on the response. Now check the type. It is a Dict. Exactly like episode 1. Read the rates key, and you get another Dict with KRW. Then read the KRW key, and there it is, 1416.62. The value we wanted. JSON and Python Dicts look the same. Nothing new to learn.
Let's turn this into a real program. Open a new file and save it as rate.py. The plan is simple. First, ask the API for the rate. Second, parse the JSON as a Dict. Third, format the answer with an F string. Requests.get.json, the rates key, the KRW key. Then print 1 USD equals, and the rate with 2 decimals. That is the whole program.
Time to run it. Press F5, Run Module. The shell shows the restart line, and then the output. 1 USD equals 1,416.62 KRW. That is today's real exchange rate, straight from the European Central Bank, through frankfurter.app. We did not type that number. The internet gave it to us.
Same pattern, different data. The weather. This URL asks for the current weather in Seoul, by latitude and longitude. Response 200. Then read the JSON. Current weather, temperature. 23.0 degrees Celsius. Seoul, right now. Open-Meteo gives this away for free. No key needed for learning. Weather code 0 means clear sky. One pattern, and you can read any API.
Now combine both into one program. and save it as webdata.py. Part 1. The exchange rate. Requests.get. Parse the rate, print the F string. Part 2. The weather. Requests.get. Read the temperature, print the F string. 10 lines, 2 APIs, 1 program. Tomorrow, the numbers will be different, and the same code will still work. That is the power of live data.
Run it. The restart line appears, and 2 answers come back. 1 USD equals 1,416.62 KRW, and Seoul now, 23.0 degrees Celsius. Both live, both fetched seconds ago. Run the same program tomorrow, and you will get tomorrow's numbers. Your program now reads the internet.
Before you go, the 4 errors you will actually hit. Number 1. Module not found error. No module named requests. The library is not installed. Fix it with pip install requests. Number 2. Connection error. Max retries exceeded with get addr info failed. The domain does not exist. Check the URL for typos. Number 3. JSON decode error, expecting value. The page you got is HTML, not JSON. Use an API URL instead. Number 4. Key error, JPY. The Dict only has KRW. Print the Dict and check the exact keys. 4 errors, 4 quick fixes.
Here is the whole skill in 6 steps. An API is a URL that returns JSON. Requests.get returns a response. Status code 200 means everything is fine. .json turns it into a Dict. Then read the value with Dict keys and format it with an F string. That is it. Every API, every data source follows the same pattern.
Your programs talk to the internet now. Requests, the library, API, the address, JSON, the format, and Dict access the way in. Next time, we will save live data into an Excel file with OpenPuckSL. What data do you want to pull into your own program? Tell us in the comments. Like, subscribe, and comment. Happy coding!